ding. Hello. Ooh. Oh, well, hello to you too. Hey, yo, I gotta take a shot because this is a very important video right here. So, you can see, yo, I'm still in Korea, right? Hey, bless up. But a lot of people have been wondering, like, yo, what are you doing in Korea? What are you doing? So, I think it's about time that I let y'all know. All right? Hey. Hey. Hey, what up though? This is it. This is what I do. As you can see, I'm in the Air Force. Been doing this for about 15 years now. All in the 2W1 community. Weapons. Shout out to all my 2Dubs out there. I see you. Salute. Yeah. But this isn't about that though. So let's get back to it. Boom! Oh, hey, haha. Let me move this back some. Can y'all see me or can you see me? What's really good? Am I in there? Let me get back. Boom. Yo, okay, so y'all saw that. That's what I do, right? Bless up. I was really impressed. Like, I didn't think it was such a big deal. You know what I mean? I didn't want to really broadcast that, but you know, I think, like I said, man, a lot of people were asking, and so that's it. So yeah, so that's what I do. All right, so what this video is really about though is we got to get back to the car. You know what I'm saying? Like, it started about the car, it fell off a little bit, you know, went to traveling and everything, and then the financial stuff. Yo, which, like I said, man, I put that out there, and a few people grasped onto it, and they're doing a credit card thing too. So, yo, follow up. Let me know how that works out for y'all. But like I said, back to the car. So, Young Spawn A is in California right now with Bulletproof Automotive. That's where it's at. Yo, I can't. Anders sent me. So, I'm gonna tell y'all how I did. Like I said, originally it's explaining the process of everything, of how it went down. So this is what I did. The car had to get there. Obviously, I'm not, you know, I'm in Korea right now. So there's an app called YouShip. I don't know how I found it though, but I used it before to ship my dog from because I was getting ready to go on a deployment to Guam. And just, I couldn't have, just with everything that I was doing, I couldn't take the time to drive her to Georgia to stay with my mom. Is that what? Yeah. So I found this app. It's called YouShip. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Hold on a second. So it's there. It's right there. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me get, boom. It's right about YouShip right there, right? Cool. So YouShip, and pretty much you just, it's everything is categorized. So you go in there, you say, hey, like for example, like for me, like for my dog, like this is what I put. This is the ad I put for Yo-Yo, right? And so from Minot, North Dakota to Augusta, Georgia, I paid $8.99. But you put your prices up there though, so pretty much you can put an auction. You can auction your prices, or you can have a fixed price. I can't remember what I did. I think I did an auction or whatever. So $8.99, and then it tells you everything. So I'm not gonna put my address up there, but it gives you updates. So as you can see, like you can follow it, like booked, confirmed, delivered, payment received, all that, right? It's all on there. So I went back to the app. I used it again, and then I went with Montway excuse me. Sorry, guys. Montway shipping, I think that's what it's called. It's crazy because it's not on here now. But yeah, anyway, so a lot of people, like, I put on there, hey, I'm shipping Lexus Rcf from North Dakota to California, and you put the bid on there. And a lot of shipping companies, they hit you up like, hey, I'll do it for this much, I'll do it for this much, blah, blah, blah. And then you choose which one to go. So, ironically, Chicago RCF, we chose I don't know how he got his, but we chose the same shipping company. That's crazy, right? Yeah, so, sidebar, follow Chicago RCF. My man is sponsored. He's doing a lot of good things with his Lexus, and we got some things in the works. So follow that right there. All right, but yeah, back to it. So yeah, so that's what I did, and then they send you emails. So it's an email confirmation, like everything. I called them up. So I accepted a bid. It cost me a little over $1,500 to ship from North Dakota to California. So how it works is, let's say, okay, I chose Montway. Okay, boom, I chose them. It gives you a payment code, right? It takes some money out of your account, but it doesn't pay them yet until there's delivery. So pretty much it took the money out of my account, and it kind of put it like on hold, right? So they send me emails. Like, the thing I love, 2018, you gotta rock with technology. They like, hey, we got you scheduled for this date. I was like, okay, cool, boom. And then another email came through. It was like, the car's picked up. It's on the truck. Expected like an estimate delivery date, like, because they got to give you some kind of time frame, right? So the thing with the time frame is, it could be sooner or it could be later. If it's later, they'll send you a message saying, what caused the delay. So the thing is, and this is why I tell everybody, like, get in touch with people that you work with. So what I did was, as soon as I saw that the truck was picked up, I emailed Andres at Bulletproof Automotive. That's my guy, right? So I emailed him, and I told him, hey, the truck is picked up. It's expected to get there around this date. And I gave him the code, because you got to give them, they're not going to release the car or whatever you're shipping until they have a code for the payment. So I gave him the code. He sent me an email, got it, right? So cool. They delivered it like 2 or 3 days earlier than what I expected. So the good thing about this, that's why I say, like, stay in contact, build a connection, because I got the Andres hit me up. He was like, hey man, the car is here. I was like, whoa. I was in the gym too. I was like, I know I probably look crazy as hell, because I was in the gym. I seen an email and I was like, yes, let's go. And like, everybody's like, damn, that guy's super pumped. No, I just got the email from Andres, and then later on that day, I got the email from the shipping company that said that they released the vehicle. So yeah, it's a surreal feeling now, because now I'm like, okay, this project is really getting started. So yeah, that's it. It's at Bulletproof Automotive right now. I'm waiting on some pictures from Andres to come through, so I can upload those and really show y'all the progress on it. So the car is in California, update, and when he sends me some pictures, I'll upload some more. But I'm just so happy right now to get back to the car. So yeah, Spawn, it's coming together. It's gonna be super dope. It's gonna be super epic. I appreciate everybody tuning in. I go live on Sundays. Hey, it's a good time. But that's where, when I go live, I reveal, like, the details. You know what I mean? You get the inside scoops. So yeah, so I go live Sundays, 10 o'clock till 9, 8. So probably like 8 o'clock, what is it, Eastern time? Y'all figure that out. I just know what time it is in Georgia. So when I go live, it's 8 o'clock p.m. in Georgia. So figure that out. All right, cool. But hey, anything, if y'all want to talk about anything, hit me up in the comments. As always, man, you know the deal. You know the routine. Go ahead. Share this thing, though. All right? We're doing big things. We worldwide. I've said that since day one. We worldwide. I've said worldwide. We're doing big things. It's only going to get bigger. It's only going to get bigger. Yo. So, that's what I'm doing. Hey, to all my brothers and sisters in uniform, yo, I salute you. Thank you for your service. All right? As always, 2 L's. One love. Hey, bless up. Ooh, I hit it for real. Oh, God. Oh. Yo. Goddamn, bro.